Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to add custom features or dynamic content to your WordPress site without touching a single line of code, today's video is just for you. I'm going to show you how to create and use shortcodes in WordPress, a simple, powerful way to supercharge your site. By the end of this guide, you'll be a shortcode pro, ready to add advanced functionality in just a few clicks. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about what a shortcode actually is. Shortcodes are tiny snippets of code that let you insert complex features into posts, pages, or widgets. Think of them as shortcuts for adding content, like embedding forms, galleries, or dynamic elements without having to program them yourself. They save you time, make your site more flexible, and open up endless creative possibilities. Accessing the WordPress editor. Now let's get started. Begin by logging into your WordPress account. Using Google Sign In can make this step even faster. Once you're in, navigate to the Quick Links panel and click on Edit Site. This will take you straight to the WordPress editor where all the magic happens. Adding a shortcode block. Once you're in the editor interface, look for the Add button. It's the plus sign in the top left corner. Click it, and in the search bar, type shortcode. You'll see the shortcode block option appear. Select it to insert the placeholder onto your page. Inside this block, you can now type or paste your desired shortcode. For example, you might use a shortcode to embed a contact form, display a gallery, or show dynamic content based on user actions. Once entered, WordPress automatically processes it and displays the feature perfectly on your page. And that's it. You now know how to create and use shortcodes in WordPress, giving you the power to add advanced features in just a few clicks. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more WordPress tips, and comment below with your favorite shortcode tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.